well, we could make some crazy model that's a trillion parameters, but no one can run it, which means like, why wouldn't you just use our API? Why are you hosting a trillion parameter open source model in the cloud when you could just use ours, you know? Right. So OSS 120B, you can run that on a high-end GPU. Like if you went and bought a 5090 graphics card from NVIDIA and had it in the PC, you could run GPT OSS 120B entirely locally. Whereas Minimax M2, DeepSeek, and Kimi, that's not really a thing. You need essentially a home server at that point to run it fully locally.
What's crazy about that to me is, I mean, you could argue it's mid-tier, it's in the middle of the list here, right? But this is mid-tier among what's already incredible compared to what existed a year ago. This is all blowing all that away by far. And you're looking at a stronger model than the best thing Facebook's put out, the best thing that NVIDIA's put out, et cetera. You're saying you could run completely locally just on a high-end computer, like home computer. You have a good gaming rig, and you can run an AI that even a year ago would be something that would blow anyone away. And even now, it's keeping up with everything, and you can run that fully locally.
Yeah, and I mean, for perspective, GPT OSS 120B is 120 billion parameters. That's what the 120B stands for. Kimi K2 Thinking is 1 trillion parameters. So while it gets 6 points higher on this index, it is 9 times the size, 9 and some change times the size, or almost 9 times the size. Anyways, the point is it's much, much, much bigger. You would need 10, 50, 90s,
Gotcha. And then another one I just want to point out real quickly is OSS 20B. This one I think is probably the most common people use at home. I have this running on my laptop already. And this is one that I can run fully locally on a laptop that I bought 7 years ago, and it runs perfectly smoothly.